So now I got the belts loose enough, see there, that I can just take them off. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna slip these off of here and see if this pulley, yeah, see this pulley's coming out here, see? It's loose. I gotta get it off here and see what's happening with it. All right, so what I'm doing, I don't know if my camera's on this or not, let's see. Nope. I took the pulley off and took the 4 belts off. One of the belts got a notch out of it, so I'm gonna take a belt off and take it with me to the parts store and see if I can get some belts for it. I think that's where the trouble is, because it's slipping when you try to engage. I hope we don't have a gear mechanism right there that's locked up. Don't know if I got that video, but what I was going to do is show you the, I took the pulley off, and I've got the belts off here. I'm going to take one of the belts to the parts store with me. I'm worried that maybe there's something could be wrong in this gear mechanism right here. We didn't check the oil in that or grease that. We need to check both of them. I'm going to back over here in the shade, and we'll do that. What we're doing is I'll put a little oil in this gearbox right here. I don't know if it's low, but I can't see oil down in the hole. I mean, you can look down in there. I don't know if you see it or not. There's no oil that I can see, so I'm going to add some to it. All right, so what I'm doing is I'm putting the pulley here back on here because we can't find any belts for it this week. My son's ordered them, but they're gonna have to come from Germany or somewhere. I mean, I don't know, the UK. They're coming from overseas, so they're not expensive, but it's gonna take over a week for them to get here. We've tried to find them here in the United States. We found them for like $160 a piece, and there's 4 of them. So we're looking at $600 worth of stinking belts. So instead of doing that, we're gonna just put these back on for right now and see if we'll make it. One of the belts is in really bad shape, but maybe it'll hang in there and try to finish cutting. We'll see. So here we go.